Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to block an app on Play Store. So to do this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store app first. So once you open your Play Store app, you will end up in this interface. But all you need to do is simply type in or tap on the app you want to see blocked. So simply scroll down below and see what rated it is. Here I have chosen Bigo Live, which is rated 12 plus. Now simply tap on the profile like icon and then tap on settings. After this, tap on family and there you can find the parental control. Simply tap on it and simply switch the dongle. Once you switch the dongle, you need to first create your content pin, and once you type it, you need to confirm your pin as well. Now the dongle is switched, so tap on apps and games and simply select which rated parental control you want to allow up to. Here I have selected rated for 7 plus and hit the save button. Now as the settings is saved, you can simply go back and type in Bigo Live, which you had previously selected, or any of the app that has been previously selected, and you can see that your app has been blocked on your Play Store and it cannot be downloaded now. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.